How's it going, everyone? Jude here from LMR.com. Today we're going to show you how to install the form lighting LED reflectors designed for the 2024 and newer S650 Mustang. From the factory, the S650 Mustang comes with just a reflector that does pretty much nothing, just doesn't look that good. But with these form lighting LED reflectors, they light up and look 10 times better on your car. And honestly, this is an easy mod to really make your car stand out. They're DOT compliant and they're plug and play. You'll just need the basic hand tools to get this done, so let's go ahead and jump into the install. All right, now we're going to remove the splash guard. You will need a 7mm socket to remove these 7mm bolts, one 10mm socket to remove the 10mm bolt, and a push pin removal tool to remove the two push pins. $10mm. God, why are they so long? Bro, why is it so long? Okay. Now you're going to remove the four 7mm bolts holding the bumper to the car. To begin, we're going to start on the passenger side and remove the 10mm nut holding the reflector on the back. Now we're going to take a pry tool and pop out the rear reflector. These are marked left and right on the back side, so whenever you are ready to install, you won't get confused when doing it. Now we're going to disconnect the harness, and we're going to feed the male end into the hole in the bumper. But first I got to get it off, and I can't. Now you're going to pull the wiring harness all the way through and reconnect the new form lighting rear deflector back into place. Ooh, satisfying. Oh. Should have taken it. Don't do what I did. Okay. Now you can make sure it's fully seated. Now reuse the original hardware, reattach the 10mm nut to the new form lighting reflector. When reinstalling, finding a stubby short wrench will help a lot more with reinstallation. Once you install the LED reflector, move over to the rear fender liner. You're going to remove the two bolts and the push pin holding the fender liner to the car. Pull back the fender liner, you're going to disconnect the side connector. Now we're going to take the previously disconnected harness and reconnect it to the LED reflector. Take the OEM harness and you're going to connect it to the form lighting harness. Reconnect the form lighting harness to the OEM side marker. Now's the time to take a zip tie, clean up the wiring and hide it behind the bumper. Once you have the wiring installed, you can now take the time to reinstall the hardware for the splash shield. Now we'll repeat the same steps and do the other side. All right, everyone, that's going to be it from us. It's a very simple and easy removal and install process. And trust me when I say this is a well worth mod. It really changes the rear end of your car. We highly recommend it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And for all things S650 Mustang, keep it right here with the real enthusiast, LMR.com.